Good morning to one and all present here. I'm your host Simon Jain, and today we have gathered here for the introductory session of Google Developer Students Club at Abity University, Mumbai. So, what is GDSC? Does anyone know here, or have you heard the acronym before? Please mention in the chats. Okay, as I cannot see any responses, I go by myself. So, in the words of Google itself, Google Developer Students Club are community groups for college and university students interested in developer technologies. Students from all undergraduate or graduate programs with an interest in growing as a developer are all welcomed. By joining a GDSC, students grow their knowledge in a peer-to-peer learning environment and build solutions for local businesses and their communities. This developers club is a venture by Google. Yes, you heard it right. The tech giant itself, which aims at bringing out the best in each person by learning from one another. Collaborating on projects under the latest domains like machine learning, Android development, web development, and many more. But most importantly, growing as an individual. When you become a part of GDSC, you have the opportunity to learn new skills in a variety formats. You get exposure to reality and meet local developers virtually considering the pandemic situation right now, but in person as well. The community prides itself on being inclusive environment where everyone and anyone interested in tech, ranging from professionals to beginners, is welcome to join. Our GDSC mentors are Deepa ma'am, Rajesh sir, Apeksha ma'am, and Sushila ma'am, as you can see on the screen right now. I like to express my gratitude for their unwavering support. GDSC is a venture directly parented by the Google developers community, which aims at bringing out the best of the youth by exposing them to Google developers tech and by spreading awareness and liking for technology. By conducting events, webinars, guest lectures, workshops, hackathons, coding competitions, and many other fun activities to familiarize young learners with technology and its foundation. Our GDC will help you connect with people of your age who are interested in tech. So, what all opportunities our members will have?
Simon, you're on mute. You're on mute. Just unmute your mic. Simon, you can join back again. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. I think our host is facing some network issues. She's back right now.
Hello, guys. I'm really sorry for the interruption. I really apologize about it. So, I'll be continuing with the slide. So, all opportunities you have here for the members? Members will get an up to date with the latest tech stacks, explore different domains like web development, AML, AI, app development, cloud computing, data science, and everything. Members will also develop their identity by joining our club and will get opportunity to learn from different scales from peers and experts. Uh, so throughout our tenure, we have some exciting events planned for you. So have a look at the screen. First, we have some several hackathons planned where teams will compete with each other. They need to do intense coding for a few hours, and the best teams will take the reward. Following that, we'll have some interactive sessions with the industry experts and mentors to assist you about the newest technological event developments. Only academic information will not help you achieve greater heights. You will need some practical knowledge as well. Therefore, we have scheduled several hands-on workshops to assist you in launching your career in your field of choice. Nowadays, if you want to acquire the deeper grasp of emerging technologies, open source is a fine choice. Open source allows you for far more in-depth understanding of a particular piece of software. As a result, we have planned to organize one open source event to assist you to broaden your knowledge and improve your coding skills. Being a member of GDSC entails more than just organizing events. You'll also be collaborating on industry projects and attending or participating in a number of technical events that will help you broaden your knowledge and polish your expertise. So you might be wondering, who initiated the GDC of us, isn't it? I present to you Mr. Tushar Sharma, our very own GDC lead and tech expert, with a love for coding and helping others to learn code in a fun way. I like to quote Tushar's favorite saying, teamwork is the secret that makes common people achieve uncommon results. That's interesting, right? Over to you, Tushar.
Thank you very much, Simon. I hope I am audible. Okay,
Yes,
then.
you're audible.
Thank you very much. The warmest of greetings to our respected faculty, honorable dignitaries,
Tushar, you're
colleagues.
not audible. Please unmute yourself.
Am I audible now? Hello.
Yeah, Tushar, you're audible.
Yes, yes, Tushar, you are.
Thank you. So, the warmest of greetings to our respected faculty, honorable dignitaries, colleagues, and above all, our lovely audience today. I humbly take this opportunity to put forth my deepest and heartfelt thoughts about the GDSC this year and how we, as a team, aspire to see it grow. Countless times there have been efforts to start something innovative and new. Innumerable examples here at Amity as well. How often, however, do these ideas survive? We see the rise and fall of such sparks of creativity every now and then. But amongst these, some sparks do manage to escape the recursiveness to end up igniting a flame of legacy. My team and I promise to work to the very best of our potential to bring about this flame of spark of GDSC that we have in our hands. It will take a lot more than these words. It will take a lot of courage, a lot of perseverance, a lot of brainstorming, a lot of time, a lot of failures, and irrevocably a lot of dedication to get this flame up and burning. And as you all know, this is not the task of an individual. I strongly believe in the essence of the main joining as one. And this is how I want our GDSC to develop. Events like webinars, workshops, hackathons, all are a part of the journey. But for the fuel, I want the fuel to be teamwork. With this message, I conclude my speech and I request each and every one of you to think. To think if you want to be a part of this team, if you want to see your friends and your names on this wall of fame, if your answer to these questions is yes, come, join us. Thank you all for your patience and best of luck for the future. Thank you, everyone. Simon, you can continue. Hello, Simon, you are there?
I think she is facing serious connection issues currently.
Hello, Simon.
Thanks for sharing your thoughts, Tushar. Thus, of course, he has a wonderful team for the GDSC this year, which you can see on the screen right now. We would all love to take part in the numerous events that we are planning to conduct, and ultimately, we all will code, not just because it's in our heart or syllabus, but because it's on our hearts as well. Now, I would like to hand it over to Ishan, who is a member of core committee.
Very good morning,
Over to you,
everyone.
Ishan.
Am I audible?
Yes, Ishan, loud and clear.
Thank you so much. So, today I do not have a regular speech for all of you. There is something special. So, I request all of you for your attention. In the world's broad field of battle, in the bivouac of life, be not like dumb driven cattle, be a hero in the strife. Trust no future, however pleasant. Let the dead past bury its dead. Act, act in the living present, heart within and God overhead. Abiding by this verse from Longfellow's Psalm of Life, let's discuss our diverse yet convergent strife. I speak for the core committee. We persevere to get work done. Our bodies are different, you see, but our goal is surely one. We pledge to be heroes in strife, the ones this poem talks about. That's how we choose to live life, in the present and without doubt. We shall move every mountain and leave no stone unturned, for there is no success without strain, and if there is, it's not nearly as fun. With this last verse, on behalf of my team, I call out to everyone. We welcome you to share our dream, for the journey has just begun. Thank you.
Simon, you can continue. Hello, Simon, you can continue.
Now, I would like to hand it over to Rutuja, who is the member of co-committee organizing team.
Good morning. I am Rutuja, the representative of Organizing Committee of GDSC Amity University, Mumbai. I believe execution of the event is the most crucial aspect of it. However good the idea is, if execution isn't right, idea doesn't reach its target. For a process to go smoothly, you need to first formulate it the right way. Along with me, we have Simon, Charushi, Shubham, and Harish Chandra in the organizing committee. We say there's always a certain way of doing things. We are responsible for exactly that. In GDSC, we organize events, webinars, workshops, and competitions. Creating a comprehensive event plan, including goals or desired outcomes, and the theme of the event is exactly where we play our part. We're looking forward to add vigor and excitement into our events in order to interest more people like you all. Looking forward to your participation in the events ahead. Thank you.
Thanks for sharing your thoughts, Rutuja. Now, we'd like to call Arushi from the content creation and creative design team.
Thank you, Simon. Hello, everyone. I am Arushi, the part of the Content Creation and Creative Design Committee of GDSC Amity University, Mumbai. So, technology is a result of creativity. This part of Google Developer Student Club is about keeping the trends of today in mind and then molding the ways of thinking into tech-savvy, innovative ideas. Both technology and creativity are so interwoven that they can be correlated as cause and result. It is the key in moving ahead in a global economy. Our team consists of 3 extremely talented members, Ashish, Vishwa, and Richi. Creativity that we propose on learning and collaborating with here aims to drive overall advancements in both technical and conceptual aspects of GDSC. The creation of content greatly aids in finding new potential between each iteration and within every phase of development. As the extended core of the club, we bring ideas of the team to life and assist in turning plans into actions. Creativity can be found in most any corner, anywhere, any experience. The secret is knowing where to look, and we in Content Creation and Creative Design Committee of GDSC aid in providing exactly that. I am so elated to be a part of this wonderful team, to share my expertise, learn from the best, and assist GDSC Amity University Mumbai reach new heights. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Arushi. Now I would like to hand it over to Jay, who is the member of PR and MIT.
Good morning, everyone. Respected teachers and all the students present. I am Jay Gupta, Public Relations and Marketing Intelligence team member. I am a BTech pursuer from AIB department. I am here to explain the deep integration of my committee, what it is, its role, and how it works. Our team consists of three highly talented, experienced, and respectable members: Aishwarya and Harshit, and myself belonging, me myself, and they both are belonging to CSE department. The public relation team itself or term itself is self-explanatory. We here help GDSC outreach to different institutes and departments at home, as well as different institutes and colleges. We also help in maintaining the stats and chart for the event and maintain forward relationships with our partners. Coming to the marketing intelligence, our role is to critically research hot and trending topics which the industries are leading upon and are let alone we can speak about entrepreneurship itself. With finding a worthwhile topic and subtopics for a particular month, we are encouraged and always enthusiastic to know more about the upcoming trends. Marketing intelligence work with organizing committee to bring A1 content which can help the attendee to find and attend the events which they are attending for. Back to you, Simon. Thank you very much.
That was really good to hear, Jay. Okay, now let's have a quick round of a small quiz where we can learn more about you all and make the session interactive. Over to you, Tushar.
Thank you very much, Simon. So, guys, we are going to have a small quiz, and the host, Simon, and me, both of us, will try to make it a bit interactive and a bit quite funny as well. So, yeah, let's start. I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, Tushar, it's visible.
So, guys, what you need to do is just go to kahoot.it, okay, and over there you need to enter this game pin. Okay, I'm sharing the link in the chat box as well. So just go to kahoot.it and enter the code. I've pinned the message in the chat box. Okay, so you can have a look. Guys, start joining ASAP. We will be starting in another 3 minutes. Come on, guys, let's make it a bit interactive. Guys, and one more thing, the one who wins this quiz, that particular person will be getting swags and goodies from GDSC. That's great. 4 people have joined. Come on, guys. We have 61 attendees. Excluding the team, I think we should at least have 50 people. Come on, join ASAP. Good one. We have 11 to 12 people. Come on, guys. 2 minutes more. Chinmay, the game code is 379481. You can see this on the screen. Guys, and one more thing, please join with your original names, okay, so that it's easy for us to provide you the swags and goodies if you win the game.
The person with 3794881 and ST name, please can you rejoin again with your proper name? Yeah, and ST and SP1, please.
Come on, guys, 2 minutes more. Good one. We have 25 participants. One minute more, guys. Start joining. Guys, I'll give you 30 seconds more. Join ASAP. Okay, guys, so let's start. We are good to go? I guess 31 have joined. So let's start. Okay, created in 1990. What was the name of the first internet search engine? I think it's pretty easy. Okay, so Harsh is leading. Next, we have Kshitij and Ayushvant. Good job, guys. Good job. Now, moving on to the next question. Google's informal corporate motto or slogan. This is a bit difficult, so let's see. We have 19 answers, 25. Come on, guys, 5 seconds left. Okay, the right ones are ours. So don't be evil. Now let's see those who have given the right answers. Okay, we have Kshitij on the first position. Then we have Lachiket and Amit. Good job, guys. Keep it up. Moving on to the next question. Oh, who is the CEO of LinkedIn? I think this one is quite easy. Most of us use LinkedIn every day, just like Instagram and other social media handles. 17 answers. 5 seconds left. Come on, guys. Okay, so the right answer is Ran Rolansky. Let's see the scores. Okay, Kshitij is leading. After that, we have Lachiket and Amit. And then Shubham and Harsh. Good job, guys. Now let's move on to the second question. Okay, this one is quite funny. What does LG stands in LG Electronics? And this one is quite tricky as well. What do you think, Simon?
Yes, Tushar, absolutely.
Okay, now let's see. That's great, Kshitij. Kshitij is leading. After that, we have Aishwant, and now Vikas is in the lead. Good job, guys. Moving on to the next question. Which search operator does Google enable by default? This one is quite hard. Let's see who gives the right answer. Okay, let's see the scores. Wow, Kshitij is on the top again. And now we have Amit and Harsh for the second and third position. Great job, guys. Wow, this from 2017 onwards, how many characters long can tweets be? I think this one is pretty hard. I have never heard of it. So let's see who gives the right answer. Okay, so the answer is 280. That's great. Okay, Kshitij is still leading, and we have Amit and Shubham on the second and third positions. Moving on to the next question. The name Google originated from a misspelling of. This one is quite funny. So let's see who gives the right answer.
There is
This is a
also a
bit.
fun fact behind this, actually.
Would you like
Let's
to
see
share
who
it with
knows the answer.
others?
Yeah, of course. Let's see when the answer pops up. We'll tell you.
Yes, definitely. Okay, so the right answer was Google. Ishan, would you like to share that fun fact?
Quite a lot of people do know it, I believe. So, the word Google is actually the number 1 followed by 100 zeros. That is what it means, and that is how
Okay.
you see your Google pages as well, right? When you scroll to the bottom of the Google, you see pages number 1 to 100. So that is what they wanted to represent.
Okay, yes, definitely. Now let's see who has given the right answers. Okay, now we have Kshitij on the first position. Kshitij is still leading. Then we have Harsh, Vikas, Neha, and Kiran. Okay, that's great. Now moving on to the eighth question. What is the name of Google headquarters? I think most of the people know this. So let's see who gives the right answer. 14 answers. 10 seconds left. Come on, guys. Do it ASAP. 5 seconds. Googleplex. Okay, so let's see who has given the right answer. Oh, that's great. Shit is still leading. And on the second position, we have Kiran. And on the third position, we have Shubham. Good job, guys. Now, this is the second last question of the quiz. The domain name www.google.com was registered on. This sounds like a general knowledge question. So let's see who gives the right answer.
This is an interesting one, I guess.
Yeah. I think only few people know about it.
Yeah, some will go by luck.
Okay, so the right answer was September 15, 1997. Okay, let's see who's given the right answers. Okay, the score is the same. Kshitij is on the top. We have Kiran and Shivam on the second and third positions. Now, guys, this is the last question, and this is going to decide who's going to be the winner of this quiz. Okay, so let's begin. Google received its first funding from Andy Bechtolsheim, a co-founder of which of the following company? Okay, this one, I think this is the toughest one.
Yeah, actually, this is the difficult one.
Actually, this is the toughest one. Only few people know about it. Okay, so the answer was Sun Microsystems. Okay, now we are going to announce the winners. Is everybody excited for it? Just type yes in the chat box so that the session becomes quite interactive.
I'm pretty sure everybody is interested to know the results. Yeah.
Everybody, yes, definitely. Okay, so the winner is the third position goes to Amit. Congratulations, Amit. The second position goes to Kiran. And the first one is, I guess everybody knows the answer. Kshitij. Congratulations,
Congratulations, Sitish.
Congratulations.
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 Like to say a few words?
Congrats, Satish.
What I'll do is I'll make him a presenter and let's see what Kshitij has to say. Kshitij, now you're the host. You can unmute your mic and you can say a few words. Kshitij, just click on the attendees list on your name and click on presenter mode on. Using that, you can unmute your mic and turn on your video. Kshitij, hello and thanks. No. Okay, no issues. Okay, then that's all from my side. Kshitij will be getting. Okay, Kshitij, you are here.
Yeah.
Yeah, would you like to say a few words? How was the quiz?
Yeah, it was very fun. Yeah, I had fun. I think everyone had fun. It was very interesting. Some questions were quite tough. I did get a few
Okay,
wrong, but I was always on first, so I don't know
that's
how I
great.
even got there.
That's great, Kshitij. You will be getting swags and goodies from GDSC AUM. So congratulations.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, now. So that's all from my side. Simon, you can continue.
Sure, Tushar. That was a really interesting Kahoot session. If you have any questions, please drop in them in the chat box. We would love to answer them. They would be all answered by our GDC lead. Please drop your questions in the chat box.
Guys, if you want to have a conversation with us, with the core committee and the lead, okay, so you can
You can even do that.
drop a request in the chat box, and we will make you the presenter.
If you're not comfortable, you can even type your questions in the chat box. Even that's fine.
Yes, guys, this is a Q&A session, and you can ask us anything. The whole core committee, the whole team is here.
You can ask what we are planning, how we are going to do, what are hackathons, what is open source. Everything is fine.
Anything related to your department, how GDSC can help your department, your career wise, anything you can ask.
Okay, Shubham has a question. What are going to be connected with GDSC? Shubham, are you talking about the events? I'm unable to understand.
Tushar, he meant how we are going to connect with GDSC. He corrected his question.
Okay, so first of all, we have our page on a GDSC community platform on which this particular event is hosted. For the first thing which you need to do is you need to become the member of that particular chapter. And once you are done with it, we will definitely send you a mail and we will call you for an interview. And using with that, you can join the GDSC club. Okay, Rashmi, should I join the GDSC team, and if then, how? Okay, so as I said, you can send us a request on our official mail ID as well as on our official social media handles. Okay, just send us a request on which particular team you want to join and what way you want to contribute towards GDSC. We will definitely revert back as soon as possible. We'll set a timing for the interview session and we'll get you on board on the team. Shubham, I think your doubt is cleared. Anyone else would like to ask any questions regarding any technologies or any other events which we want to conduct, which we are going to conduct? Okay, so guys, there's a small announcement from my side. In the next week, we are going to have another event. Okay, so please register for that and the forms will be circulated very soon. Okay, Rohit has a question. I want to lead GDC in my campus. I want to know how to be a perfect leader for that. That's an interesting question, Rohit. So first of all, you need to be clear with the motive of the GDSC. Why do you want to why do you want to establish a GDSC on your campus? The second approach will be having a perfect team, because as I said in my speech, this is not an individual task. This needs to be carried out along with your team. Okay, so you need to pick your team carefully. You need to have each and every member who is good at other stuff. For example, in my team, I have people from content, I have people for organizing, I have people for public relations. So accordingly, you need to select people. The third thing is you need to work on your communication skills. I think so. I would like to share something like I had a fear of public speaking, but as the time went, I practiced. I tried to improve my communication skills and that fear which I used to have. So now I can speak perfectly in front of the whole crowd. So you need to be quite good at communication skills. You need to have an idea about each and every technology. For example, if you like AI, ML, or any such technology, but still you need to have an info about what is cloud computing, what's blockchain, how we can use those particular technologies, like that. Okay. And you need to plan everything beforehand. It's not like you're going to have an event in the next week and you're going to start planning today. It's not like that. If you have an event in the next week, the planning should start 1 month prior. You need to be ready with anything. You need to have a proper strategy for everything, and everybody should be written on paper. You should have it like if you want to access a particular document or any strategy which you have decided. So it's not like you have written it somewhere or you have it in your mind. It should be written on paper so that and each and every team member should have the access for it. So I think that answers your question. For the interview, which things we should prepare? Is it need of DSA? No, not at all. Uh, it's like it depends. Like for example, if you want to be a part of blockchain team, or if you want to be a part of AI/ML, so we are just going to ask you some basic questions to test your understanding about that particular subject. So accordingly, you need to be prepared. It's not like only DSA is necessary. DSA plays an important role, but for DSC, I'll consider like you need to have in-depth knowledge of your stream of choice. For example, if I am into AI/ML, I should have a core understanding of the concepts of machine learning as well as artificial intelligence. That will definitely help you a lot. I think that answers your question. Okay, what are the benefits of establishing GDSC campus? See, first of all, the thing is, if you want to be successful, you need to be quite big. You need to be quite good in academics as well as you need to be quite good in extracurriculars, because that plays a major role in building your personality. So first of all, if you're having a GDSC on campus, you'll get to know about the upcoming trends in the field of technology. You can learn different things. For example, if you want to learn AI/ML, or else if you want to learn web development or Android app development, if you have a GDSC on campus, you can learn any of it. Like you can learn all the domains side by side. And if you're conducting events, okay, you get an idea how to manage events. So that adds up in like that helps you a lot in managing events. Like that increases your management skills. Like it helps you to sharpen your management skills as well. Okay. And what all events are conducted? So as we shared, GDSC conducts hackathons. I think everybody knows what's a hackathon. For those who are quite like those who don't know about hackathons, so hackathons is an event where you need to make a particular project or a particular model within a short time span. For example, generally the time span is around 48 hours or 36 hours. So in that particular time, you need to choose your problem statement, and you need to make a perfect model for that. And apart from hackathons, we also conduct webinars, workshops, hands-on sessions, because like everybody knows that webinars are quite boring. So that's why GDSCs prefer to have hands-on workshops. We also have interactive sessions so that we can motivate students, young minds, so that they can do something productive in their upcoming years. Yeah, so that's all. That's what GDSC does. And the most important thing is networking. If you are a part of GDSC, you'll definitely get to know like many people from different colleges, from different domains. That will add to your skill set, as well as it will help you increase your knowledge regarding a particular subject. Okay, so I think that answers your question. Anything else? uh, I would like to request any one member from the core committee, from the content team, from the organizing team, or from the PR team to share their thoughts. Can we have someone? would like to go?
Yeah, I have a few things to say.
Yes, Ishan, please.
So first of all, I'd like to say that it is quite exciting to have our first event and have so many people join in and interact with us. The PPT was quite interesting. I enjoyed the part where everybody participated in the Kahoot quiz. That was quite exciting for me as well as for. I believe it would have been exciting for the participants as well. And the feeling of being a part of a committee who are conducting their first event today is quite extraordinary. It is a unique feeling. You don't get that very often because the first event is not always repeatable, right? That will always be your first experience. It will be unique, and you don't get to do that very often. So this has been a very special day for me, and I thank all of you, not just my team, but also all the participants who did attend this session. So thank you from the bottom of my heart.
That's great, Ishan. Anyone else would like to say a few words? Anyone from the participants would like to share something? Okay, we have a question. Can I add my another university friend while in attending hackathons in GDSC? Yeah, definitely. So, as I said, GDSC is not only for a particular university; it's a community of people. Okay, so you can have members from other universities, other colleges as well. It's not restricted to your particular university. You can have members from other universities as well. Definitely, you can add your friend Piyush. Actually, this is a common question that everybody have. Like, can I have only students from my campus, or can I bring people from other campuses as well? So definitely, you can have people from other campuses as well. GDACs are not restricted to your campus, but it's for everyone. It's a community. It's a whole team. So definitely, you can add people from other universities as well. Okay, guys, you have 3 more minutes. Okay, you can ask your questions in the chat box, or if you want to say something, so you can unmute. I'll give you the permissions, and you can unmute and say something. By that time, does anyone from the GDSC AUM team want to say something?
Yes, Tushar.
Yes, go on, Jay.
Yeah. So guys, I am been honored to be a part of GDSC. As you can see, we have this was our first event, and I know that how the team has worked, how we have made day and night to make this event a great success and bring the content, like what should we do and how to organize it with organizing committee, what content should be there with content committee, working in and out with different committees as well, different departments as well, contacting different departments. It's a heck of a ride, but at the end, it's truly amazing. You will be truly fruitful for yourself. Like, you will feel that you have done something, you have achieved something, you have learned something at the end of the day. I hope I can see you all and you can connect with GDSC whenever you guys want to, and you want to do any kind of work with GDSC. You are highly welcome. GDSC welcomes you all, and I hope to see you all soon. Yeah, thank you very much.
Great thoughts there. I think we are done with the questions. So, Simon, you can continue. Thank you very much, participants. Thanks you very much for joining.
Thank you, everyone. This was a great Q&A session. Here in GDSC, we are a group of motivated engineering students to help each other find their niche. the right path, bring out the tech savvy version of ourselves. GDSC AUM is a step taken by the students of Amity, from the students of Amity to the students of Amity. We hope to make the most out of it. You can connect with us via all our social media platforms. You can find the links in the chat box below. For a quick group photo, I request everyone to turn on the cameras.
Team, can you please make everyone the host? Please help me with it. And the screen can and Ansh, can you unshare your screen? Okay, guys, please help me to make everyone host.